My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
What's going on, guys? Today I have a iconic Japanese cultured all-wheel drive supercar. This is a 2014 Black Edition Nissan GTR. This has just under 1,700 original miles on it. It's in pristine condition. If you are in the market for a GTR, maybe you've looked yourself. They are very hard to find in this kind of condition. We finally did find one. We brought it into Volo for you. All right, guys, for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, I'm going to need you to hit that subscribe button. If you click the bell icon, it'll notify you every time our new videos get posted. You don't want to miss out. We got a lot of killer cars coming in and out of this place every single week. We're pumping out tons of inventory to show you guys some of the best cars in the world. So if you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe. For the full photo shoot and write-up description, guys, you can visit volocars.com. There you can study the specs. You can take a look at our in-depth photo shoots, the close-up shots, inside, outside, underneath the engine bay, whatever you want. It's on volocars.com. We have a couple hundred, both modern muscle and classic cars. They're all for sale. You don't want to miss out. Check out the site. It's highly addicting. volocars.com. All right, let's get into it. So for 2014 on the Black Editions, guys, it gives you a couple upgraded options versus the premium on the exterior. This is painted in the metallic deep blue pearl. It's only one of 147 in this colorway for 2014. So very rare color that was added to this car. Overall, paint is in an excellent quality condition, with the exception of one tiny stone chip right on the hood there. Other than that, it's in really nice shape. Part of the Black Edition, you'll get the 20-inch forged raised wheels. They're finished in like a very nice metallic dark gunmetal gray with a polished lip. They are 20 inches in the front and the rear. They're wrapped in a Dunlop flat run tire, or run flat performance tire. Excellent condition. In other parts of the Black Edition, you get that dry exposed carbon fiber weave rear spoiler versus a paint matched one. This just pops off the car. It gives it that extra dazzle that it needs. Same with the rear diffuser. It's in that dry exposed carbon fiber. You also get the upgraded 4-inch quad tipped stainless steel exhaust versus the 3-inch on the premium. So very subtle features that just give it that extra pop that make this car so much more appealing. This does have 6-piston front Brembo brakes with the 4 pistons in the rear. It's sitting on a 2-piece drilled rotor, so these things stop on a dime. These are all-wheel drive, guys, so these make a killer daily driver, and it's also going to beat a lot of supercars out there. It's going to hurt their feelings. The front of the car, you get the HID self-leveling headlights with the LED fog lights on the sides here. On the right side of the bumper, or left side if you're facing it, is the tab for the tow hook. It actually, I believe they come with a tow hook you can screw into it. That way you don't damage anything underneath. Underneath the car, guys, it's in excellent condition. This thing is absolutely spotless. I did get this from a collector. We actually purchased a bundle of cars from him, so all his cars are in top-notch quality shape. I was very, very happy with this one when it came in. But these do have a adjustable suspension. I believe they are Bilstein shocks. You get 3 different modes in it, so you can put it in like a touring mode. It makes it comfortable. It's actually going to absorb a lot of the bumps and dampen them. It does have a sport mode and then a track mode as well. It does make for a very comfortable daily driver, guys. It's quiet in the cab. You throw it in touring mode, it's going to be comfortable. The exhaust, even though it's a 4-inch, it's still relatively quiet. It does have a nice rumble to it. Very nice exhaust note. Not too loud, not too quiet. So you definitely can hear it coming down the road, but it's not annoying. Let's take a look inside. All right, guys, so coming into the car, this does have Nissan's intelligent key system. You can leave the fob in your pocket. You can lock and unlock the car with the push of a button. I love the door handles. Press with your thumb, it pops out, and it has a nice firm handle on it, so it doesn't feel cheap or like it's going to break off at all. So it's a nice, strong feeling on it. The Black Editions, they are finished in a two-tone leather. You have a deep black with the dark red. They do have premium stitching on them, perforated seats. This is optioned with the upgraded Recaro bucket seats. So versus the premiums, they get a sporty bucket seat. These are the more aggressive Recaros. These were designed by both Nissan and Recaro as a team. They teamed up, I should say, to make these cars. They're fully adjustable. They are even heated, so you have two different heating settings on them, high and low. The shift knob and the steering wheel is also finished in that beautiful two-tone leather. This has navigation, Bluetooth radio, all the upgraded features you could want. Lock this side too, so you can lock and unlock both sides. We have premium stitched GTR labeled floor mats. Those were an added option. You have some more of that dry exposed carbon fiber weaved in the center dash here. So very nicely done. It does have premium Bose stereo that comes with it. You have tilt telescopic steering wheel, push button start on it. It's a very nicely done interior. It's not over the top, but it still gives it that almost supercar feeling to it. Even from the inside here, you can adjust and save your different modes for your suspension and your handling, your traction control. So all these are different compatibility modes. What I was saying was with the different suspension interchanging modes. So very cool features. They give you 3 different dials that you can scroll up and down with on them. This does have dual climate control as well. Inside, guys, absolutely mint. Again, 1,689 miles only on it. I don't remember if I said that in the beginning, but very, very low. It's just hard to find them in this condition. I was looking for a long time. This is something that I've wanted to bring into Volo for a while. Just didn't find the right one, and this one came right under my nose. The rear seats, guys, perfect shape. In the center are those 2 dual Bose subwoofers. This thing has killer sound system in it. So not only is it a comfortable and fast daily driver, it's going to have the premium qualities you want. One of my favorite parts in the interior are the oversized paddle shifters. So this does have a dual clutch transmission in it. The transes are actually rear mounted, similar to Corvettes. So you do hear a little chatter on them, but it's very sporty feeling. I love shifting with the paddle shifters. It just makes it a lot more fun. Moving on to the trunk area, part of this being a daily driver quality car, you can, with the push of a button, it'll unlock the trunk. So it's right under here by the license plate. There's a little button you can pop. Inside, guys, very spacious. You can fit your luggage, plenty of groceries. So take this to the grocery store, load it up in the back. You'll be driving around a cool car. That's actually practical. All the carpet, guys, it's in very nice shape. Everything's nice and new. There's no wear or tear, anything like that. So complements the rest of the car. Now, under the hood, we have the legendary hand-built twin-turbo V6. These are pushing 545 horsepower from the factory. And they have 463 pound-feet of torque. If you didn't know, all the GTRs are hand-built by only 4 people out of Nissan's factory. They put their hand tags or their name tags right in the center there. It shows that it's hand-built. So that's a very special feature from Nissan. The engine fits nicely, guys. It's in very excellent condition. All the hoses, the belts, all the wiring, guys. This thing is minty, tip to tail. They even add little features like the exposed carbon fiber weave trim going along the side there. So very nicely done from Nissan. I just love everything about this car. Just the way they build it, the styling on it. It's just very, very nicely done. What a beautiful car. Well, anyway, that was my impression on our 2014 Nissan GTR. This is the Black Edition, guys. Again, just under 1,700 original miles. It has 1,689 to be exact. This was a one-owner car, collector owned. Stored in a heated climate control area that was carpeted. Again, excellent condition. They are very hard to find in this condition. You see them out there with miles. They do get beat on because, again, it is a great daily driver. People do use them for that. These also hold their value very nicely, so you can put some miles on this, guys, and they don't really drop in price. They're all just floating. They only decrease just slightly, but they're hard to find with low miles like this, and that's what makes this one a collectible. If you guys are interested in purchasing this car, you can visit volocars.com. There, if you click the Buy It Now button, it'll secure a refundable deposit on this car. It'll shoot us an email. We can help set up financing and shipping. It's super easy. Visit volocars.com. Or you can call us, ask for me, Caleb. I'd be more than happy to talk over the car some more with you. We can go over financing and shipping options that way as well. So thanks for checking it out.